Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Union government will certainly help Goa mining dependents to place their case in Supreme Court very strongly. Prime Minister assures GMPF delegation asks the details of outstanding loans of mining dependents. Coast Guard postpones commissioning of its killer vessel ICGS Vaibhav on 11th May. Coast Guard confirms delay, says probe of the case on. No beef in Goa for next 2 days. Court reserves its order for Thursday. Meat traders pray to permit import of eligible animals. FIR against 2 veterinary doctors. Goa bench of Bombay High Court reserves order on petition challenging Goa Lokayukta's appointment. IRIS calls the procedure illegal. And Churchill brothers lift I-League trophy. 1-1 draw against Mohan Bagan crowns Churchill the Champions Club of India. Now the news in detail. Environmental issues should be sincerely addressed. All should remember that poverty is the greatest polluter. Prime Minister Manmohan Singh has said this while addressing a delegation of Goa Mining People's Front in Delhi. Leaders submitted a memorandum demanding early resumption of mining. PM has assured the front that the centre will make all the efforts to present a strong case before the Apex Court. Delegation also met Director of Shipping requesting him to allow Goan barges to ply in neighbouring countries. The delegation will meet Sonia Gandhi on Wednesday.
Under the leadership of South Goa MP Francisco Sardina, Goa Mining Dependent Forum met Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. They have requested Prime Minister to resolve mining crisis in the state. He has also asked the front to send details regarding outstanding loans of mining dependents.
त्यांनी आमचे सगळे मेमोरंडम फुल वाचून पळयलो आणि त्यांनी याद केली की तुम्ही आमका 18 फेब्रुवारी मेळिल्ले आणि वी आर ट्रायिंग टू सॉल्व द इश्यूज आणि त्यांनी म्हणले की ते सगळ्यांनी लक्षात दवरपाक जाय की बेसिकली if the mining does not start then there will be poverty in Goa and poverty is the biggest polluter than any other industry. So this is the main thing he made. So he is going to call a meeting of all his ministers and have a concerted opinion and a stand by the central government.
Okay.
So it will take care of and make proper representations in the Supreme Court.
Forum also met Mines Minister Dinsha Patel. Goa Barge Owners Association President Atul Jadhav informed that they requested Director of Shipping to allow their barges to venture into neighbouring countries before monsoon. Delegation also met Minister for Shipping G.K. Vasan.
जे बार्जीस आसा न्ही ते बार्जीसांक फक्त लोकल बिझनेस आता काय ना
राइट
आता आमकां थोडे जाण आमी फॉरेनाक लोक आसा इंडोनेशियाचे आणि कुवेतचे लोक ते कोण बार्जीस घेवपाक सोदता आणि डायरेक्टर जनरल शिपिंग तांकां भायर वचपाक परमिशन दिना म्हणून आमचे मेंबर ऑफ पार्लिमेंट सार्दीन साहेब आमकां वासन G.K. वासन आसा न्ही ते मिनिस्टर फॉर शिपिंग आसा तांच्या कडेन आमकां घेवन गेल्ले सांगपाक तांकां की ही भाजी आतां जर वचना जाल्यार मागीर 31 मेच्या मागीर ती भाजी धाडपाक आमी शकना ते मागीर सी रफ जाता दर्या रफ जाता न्ही सो त्यांनी सांगला की ते तांकां की बाबा प्लीज तुमी कशेंय करून ह्या भाजींक भायर धाडपाचे तुमी प्रयत्न करा आणि तुमच्या डिपार्टमेंटाक इन्स्ट्रक्शन द्या की स्पेशल परमिशन दिवन बेगीन जे जाता तितल्या बेगीन भाजी भायर धाडपाच्यो आणि ती जर घेवपाक स्टार्ट जाली जाल्यार कोणाक खंय जर इंटरनॅशनल मार्केटान जरी भाजी जाय जाल्यार हे भाजी आमकां भायर वतले हांगाच्या बँकेचे लोन काबार जातले आणि वयल्यान गव्हर्नमेंटाक सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंटाक फॉरेन करन्सी मेळपाक शकता.
Delegation of Goa Mining People Front will also meet UPA leader Sonia Gandhi on Wednesday. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
The killer Coast Guard vessel ICGS Vaibhav will not be commissioned on 11th May. Coast Guard has been postponed. Defence Minister A.K. Anthony will only commission the MiG-29K fighter planes on Saturday. PRO of the Coast Guard has confirmed that commissioning of the ICGS Vaibhav has been postponed as inquiry in the accident case is underway. ICGS Vaibhav had hit a trawler and claimed 6 lives and left many injured in the wee hours of 25th April.
After the Coast Guard vessel ICGS Vaibhav hit a trawler ruthlessly, claiming 6 lives and leaving crew of 23 in deep sea waters off Coast Agond. The crew of Coast Guard had come under severe criticism. The errant captain was later sacked from duty following preliminary inquiry. Trawler owner, fishermen, jetty association and other stakeholders had strongly opposed the proposed commissioning of this killer vessel, scheduled on 11th May. Now the PRO of Coast Guard said that commissioning of ICGS Vaibhav has been postponed and it will not be held on 11th May as scheduled.
सर वो जो कमीशन ऑफ MiG-29 के है ना,
हाँ जी,
उसी के दरमियान इसका होगा कमीशन ICGS वैभव का?
नहीं अभी उनका नहीं है, इनका कमीशनिंग नहीं है।
हाँ, क्यों, क्या हुआ सर?
आपको मालूम ही है जो,
हाँ वो जो एक्सीडेंट,
हाँ जी, वो अभी नहीं है, अभी इसका प्लान नहीं,
अभी प्लान नहीं। लेकिन उसकी इंक्वायरी अभी क्या हुआ, उसका कुछ फॉलो
अभी चल रहा है, इंक्वायरी चल रहा है उनका,
अभी भी इंक्वायरी चल रहा है।
हाँ जी।
Reporter Mahesh Gadi for Prudent.
Beef crisis will continue for at least 2 more days as the issue is still unresolved before the High Court. The High Court for Bombay at Goa has reserved its order on the final custody of underage animals seized from the Goa meat complex. Meanwhile, the Meat Traders Association has also pleaded before the High Court to permit import of eligible animals from other states for slaughtering. The High Court will pronounce its verdict on Thursday. A FIR has been registered against 2 veterinary officers acting as competent authority as the meat complex.
The High Court on Tuesday heard the arguments of all the parties on the matter of custody of animals seized from the Goa meat complex Usgaon. Total 130 animals were seized by Ponda Mamladar on High Court's direction. The Goa government said before the court that as of now they don't have proper place to keep these animals. Government farms are either breeding or dairy farms. Government also contended that the seized animals may be infectious and the infection may spread among animals in the farms. Government suggested a makeshift shelter for seized animals within the premises of Goa Meat Complex. Initially, the petitioner had sought interim custody of seized animals, but now they are reluctant. Petitioner said that during the custody of 5 days, 2 animals have died because of illness and injury. 10 more animals are in poor health condition. Petitioner raised the contention that if they get the custody and in case animal dies, there might be allegations of improper care. However, NGO has not clearly denied to accept custody of animals. Traders pleaded for custody of animals as they own them. Traders also assured the court that they would not slaughter these animals. Traders proposed that they would sell back these animals in some cattle market and deposit the amount in the court. Traders also argued that they are not indulged in any type of illegal slaughtering. They used to slaughter animals after getting a certificate from veterinary officer. So if any illegality has been committed, it is by the competent authority, not butchers or traders. Meanwhile, government's advocate informed the court that an FIR has been registered against 2 veterinary officers acting as competent authorities at Meat Complex. While the argument, Trader Association also pleaded with the court to lift the interim ban on importing animals from the other states as eligible animals are not available in Goa. The High Court, after hearing the argument, reserved its order for Thursday. Meanwhile, President of State Congress Subhash Shirodkar said that it is government's responsibility to do all the needful so that people in Goa get the beef.
It should be made immediately available by the government through various whatever agencies are there, because it is a staple food for certain people, certain communities of the state. So what I should say and would say that government should immediately, particularly Animal Husbandry Department, should immediately come into action and provide this staple food for the people.
With video journalist Dinesh Karpe, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.